Okay, write down, ma.
And what are you writing, ma'am? I joined just now.
Visual arts for unit 3.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen, ma'am.
You can join again if you can't see the screen.
Ma'am, I completed unit 1. I have unit 2 to write. And unit 3.
This is unit 3.
Okay, I'll write that. 1 second, just turning the pages.
Yes, those who are preparing the questions, please tell me the questions. Tell me the names, those who are preparing. First, read it, children. Don't write it. Visual art describes the characteristics of the elements of visual art, including color, shape, line, form, texture, and space. Okay?
Ma'am, in unit 3, I don't have visual arts paper, ma'am. Only I have physical education, book review, project.
Others, do you have? Harsh, do you have?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also have.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
In unit 2, I have, ma'am. Unit 2, I have physical paper.
Okay, write on a plain paper, Srihit.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you told to tell one word questions from ma'am. Can I tell?
Yes, Martin.
Dash changes are permanent.
Okay, yes, that's good. And who else are not writing this portfolio? Just tell me. They can write the questions.
Ma'am,
Note down the
ma'am,
questions. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, children who are not writing portfolio, tell them to raise hand, ma'am.
Because they are not switching on their camera. How can I see
Ma'am,
them?
I'm writing.
Ma'am, in a
Tell me
year,
your names. Tell me your names.
M3
Switch on
hit.
your cam.
M3 hit. M3 hit.
Switch on your cam. Again and again, I won't give this to anyone. Because I'm writing here. I'm not saving this. You need to
Yes, ma'am.
write it now itself.
Okay, ma'am. I'm tearing paper. Somehow I'll attach the paper, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to leave one line and write out.
Don't leave. Next para.
Ma'am, can I tell another one?
Yes, ma. You can.
Carbon dioxide, when dissolves in water, forms dash acid.
Yes. Okay. Please write it down, ma.
Carbon dioxide, when dissolves in water, forms dash acid.
carbonic acid. Carbonic
Yes,
acid.
that's the correct answer. Good. You can even frame few more questions. Can you?
Ma'am, I'm
Yes,
writing this portfolio, ma'am.
I'm not asking you all. For them, those who are not writing.
Hmm. Ma'am, you gave physical
Ma'am, should I
performing
tell
arts.
another one, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. You can.
Mixing of interior quality substances with the superior quality substances known as dash.
Adulteration.
Adulteration.
Yes, that's a nice question.
Ma'am, one more question, ma'am, I'll tell.
Okay.
Insoluble substances that are heavier than water can be separated by dash and dash.
Decantation and
Hand
Sedimentation.
and
No, sedimentation.
sedimentation and decantation.
Decantation. Decantation and sedimentation.
Yes. Good. Okay, are you writing, Hanvita?
Ma'am, I'm taking photos, ma'am.
No, no, ma, the questions.
Question, ma'am, yes. I'm writing in a book, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, how much is there? Ma'am, space will finish.
Okay. Only this much. Only one line is there.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'll write physical education on my own, ma'am. In
Okay,
these
that's fine. You
holidays,
can.
that's the holidays, my father bought TT table. And now
Okay.
I play with
Write
him
on your own.
daily. I
Ma'am,
learn
can I
that.
tell another question, ma'am? Ma'am, I wrote, ma'am, actually. Hello?
Yes.
Dash is made up of a circular frame rigidly attached to a rod or a pole.
Hmm. What is
Wheel
that?
and axle.
Wheel and axle.
Yes, that's good.
And next one is dash is a portable inclined plane or an object that tips to a
Wedge.
tin.
Wedge.
Yes, good.
Dash is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod-like structure.
Inclined plane. What is that?
Dash is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod-like structure.
Wedge. Wedge.
Wedge.
Screw.
Correct.
Screw on.
Yes, you have finished writing this one.
No, ma'am, I'm in
Ma'am,
3D
last
art.
para.
3D art to express.
Ma'am, screw is like wedge only, no, ma'am.
Screw is different. It's a different simple machine.
Ma'am, can I ask another one, ma'am?
Yes.
Dash magnets that retain their magnetic properties only for a short period of time.
Temporary magnets.
Yes. Yes. Good.
Dash magnets that retain their properties for a long time.
Permanent magnets.
Dash magnets lose their magnetism when the electric field is taken away.
Electromagnets.
Electromagnet.
Okay.
Ma'am, she's asking from course book.
Children,
Today read.
can you write on your own? Yeah, listen one thing. Can you write on your own about the visual arts? Sorry, not visual arts.
Physical
This
education.
physical education.
Ma'am, I can
Yes.
write, ma'am.
Yes,
Others?
ma'am.
Everyone,
In
you
this
can write?
all, yes, ma'am. In this all lesson, learn detail. Write
Okay,
about
you can
Yes,
write.
ma'am. We can write, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. What you have done, you just write it down. I'll give
Okay,
you
ma'am.
down here. I'm giving you the book review. Okay, I'm giving you the book review.
Ma'am, you did not give performing arts. Ma'am, you did not give.
Performing arts you haven't done, Mama. Are you doing anything like dance and anything? Sir is
No,
asking you
ma'am.
to do.
Sir, ma'am,
Whatever you've learned, you
they've
can write out.
cancelled dance classes, ma'am.
Then how
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
write? It's okay, you can skip this.
Ma'am, for last time what we learned means
Yes, you can
for
write it.
in online classes in unit 1 and unit 2, what we learned in dance and art and crafts, ma'am, we can write no, ma'am. So much we learned, no, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
you
in
can write.
unit 1, I wrote about Harry Potter, ma'am. Book review.
Book review, I'm giving you the secret garden, but
Ma'am,
performing arts you can
secret
write.
garden already open, no, ma'am. In unit 2 we wrote.
Yeah, you can write it down.
Ma'am, last line is not fitting, ma'am.
Write it very small. I mean, like at the side you can write.
Ma'am, should I ask another one, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Dash is a huge magnet.
Okay. Yes, anyone who can give the answer?
Dash is a huge magnet.
Earth.
Good.
Ma'am, can I ask another some questions, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Dash motion is defined as the motion that is repeated after equal intervals of time.
Periodic motion.
Ma'am, I wrote physical education. Book review. Secret garden.
Hanvita,
Yeah,
I told the answer.
Ma'am, book
I
review
heard.
is I will
Hey,
write on my book.
Hanvita, can you repeat the question?
Next question I'll tell wait.
Okay.
Francis.
Dash motion is defined as the motion that is repeated after equal intervals of time.
Periodic motion.
Children,
Francis.
listen one thing. Listen one thing. Just if you have the book with you, just tell me the spelling of this. Is it correct?
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
no,
the
no.
Francis Hoxton Burnett.
Yes, ma'am. Francis
Elia.
H-O-T-T.
Elia. Elia is
No,
correct?
ma'am. No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Elia is not there, ma'am.
Francis
Frances Hodgson
Hodgson
and Burnett.
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 Okay.
Elia is.
Ma'am, remove Elia, Hodgson, then Burnett. Burnett.
Okay, that's fine.
Ma'am, can I ask some more questions, ma'am?
Yes, you can.
Dash motion may be long a straight line or long a curved path.
Translatory
Ma'am,
motion.
this book
Translatory
review
motion.
is for unit 2 or unit 3, ma'am?
Unit 3.
Three.
For unit 2, what you have written?
Nothing we wrote, ma'am.
Secret garden, ma'am.
Nothing, ma'am.
You can write on your own. I mean, like, ask your English sir
Ma'am, you send
which
it.
book review to write.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you send it PDF, no, ma'am. In that book review, you gave
No,
unit 2
no. Wait.
secret
We
garden,
can.
ma'am.
No, we can ask
Harry
sir.
Potter
No,
is it.
we can ask sir. No, Hanvita.
Yes, if you haven't written anything, you can write anything. You can ask your English sir and you can write the book review, okay?
Ma'am, even I did not write, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'll write about secret garden in this
Okay.
on my own.
But don't repeat the same thing. If you have written in
Okay,
unit
ma'am.
2, don't repeat it in unit 3. Ask English sir and write any other book, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Please.
Dash is a physical quantity.
Can you repeat the question?
Dash is a physical quantity. Should I tell answer?
Yes.
Speed.
What was the answer?
It is a physical quantity.
E.
When an object travels equal distances in equal intervals of time, the motion is said to be dash.
Periodic.
Periodic. Is it correct, Hanvita? Periodic? Periodic motion.
Huh? No, it's
Period.
not the correct answer.
Translatory motion.
Translatory motion.
Not translative motion.
What?
Uniform motion.
I don't know why he can't be able to join. I'm trying to join Srihit, R Srihit, but he's facing some problem. He's joining with 3 devices, but still he can't join.
It is uniform motion. When an object travels equal distances in equal intervals of time, the motion is said to be uniform motion.
Yes, are you all writing?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're finished, then we'll start the revision. Okay.
Time will not be sufficient. Only 7 minutes is there.
Yes, ma'am. Only 7 minutes, ma'am.
Can you write this in that time?
Fine. I just know the author's name and wrote about Secret Garden.
Ma'am, some disturbance is coming.
Please mute yourselves, children.
Ma'am,
Srihit,
should
mute.
I ask one more question, ma'am?
Yes, ma, sure. You can.
Um, Dash is a process in which animals eat their food and get it back into their mouth and chew it while resting.
Ruminants.
It is called rumination. Rumination. Hanvita?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Answer is rumination.
Rumination.
Correct. Ruminants. Dash is a thin layer surrounding the cell.
Cell
Cell
membrane.
membrane.
Cell membrane.
Yes, correct. Yes. Can you ask one more question?
Dash have different functions in different cells.
What? Repeat the question.
Dash have different functions in different cells.
Vacuole. Is it correct?
Yes, correct. Dash are present in animal cells and not in plant cells.
What? Repeat the question.
Dash are present in animal cells and not in plant cells.
Cell wall.
Yes, correct.
Cell wall and
Cell-
chloroplast.
No, ma'am,
Chloroplast.
not cell wall.
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
No,
Chloroplast.
No.
Cell wall. Cell wall, correct. Chloroplast.
no, ma'am.
Yes. Then what is the correct answer?
Centrolis and centrosomes.
Even cell wall is also present in plant cell, but it is absent in animals.
Yeah.
Wanted to give a hint, but you told to tell answer, no, ma'am. Sorry. Dash are cell organelles which clean up the cell by distinguishing foreign materials as well as ward out the cell organelles.
Vacuole.
No,
Vacuole.
they are small round sacs.
Suicidal sacs or lysosomes.
Ribosomes.
Not ribosomes.
Lysosomes. Lysosomes.
Lysosomes.
Lysosomes.
Lysosomes is the correct answer.
Ma'am, only 2 minutes left.
Dash are the group of cells having the capacity to divide and grow are
Mom,
called as
space finished.
Oh,
the group of cells having the
write down very
capacity to
small because I even have finished this. Okay, I'll just remove this line.
Still 8 fitted.
Ma'am, should I ask another question, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
group of cells having the capacity to divide and grow are called dash. They are also
Centrosomes.
called
Centroids,
bony tissues.
centroids and
Centroids and
centrosomes.
Centrals.
centrosomes.
Centrals.
Centrals and
This
centrosomes.
is in tissues. This topic is tissues.
Centrioles and centrosomes.
No. First, listen to the
No,
question.
no. Wait.
Listen
It
to the
is in
question properly. Let her ask.
Repeat it again once, listen. The group of cells having the capacity to divide and grow are called as dash. They are also called
Meristematic tissues.
meristematic tissues.
Good. Yes, meristematic tissue.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Hanvita is asking so many questions. She's preparing. And what about the other children? When you will prepare?
yesterday night I prepared so many questions from already.
Oh, that's nice. So why I'm asking you to prepare all these questions means you'll go through the lessons. You'll have a quick review of all the lessons.
Ma'am, should I ask another one, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. If you're finished,
Dash.
shall I just close this share?
Yeah, mom.
Close this page?
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am, I'll take photo.